Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we dive into the latest career trends and opportunities. Today we're talking about the top 5 work-from-home jobs for 2026. Jobs that not only give you flexibility, but also bring in serious income. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or just want more freedom, these roles are perfect for the future of work. First up, we have remote customer success managers. These professionals help companies retain and grow their customer base by building strong relationships and ensuring clients get the most value from their services. Number 4 is the AI integration specialist. If you know how to connect AI tools to business systems like CRMs, ERPs, or databases, you're in high demand. Companies want experts who can automate workflows and improve efficiency. AI adoption is skyrocketing, and businesses need people who can make AI work seamlessly for them. This is a future-proof career with high earning potential and full remote options. Coming in at number 3, the Digital Marketing Strategist. These pros design and implement online marketing campaigns to drive traffic, engagement, and sales for businesses. Number 2 on our list is a classic: remote software developer or engineer. Writing code, building apps, or developing software solutions can all be done from home. Tech continues to dominate the global economy. Companies are increasingly hiring remote developers, allowing you to work from anywhere while enjoying one of the highest-paying work-from-home careers. And finally, the number 1 work-from-home job for 2026 is the AI product manager. These professionals lead the creation of AI-driven products and features, working closely with engineers, designers, and business teams. AI is everywhere, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for people who can manage AI products successfully. This role is fully remote and offers both high income and the chance to be at the cutting edge of technology. So there you have it, the top 5 work-from-home jobs for 2026, from customer success to AI product management. All these careers give you flexibility, future growth, and impressive earning potential. Which of these jobs would you love to do? Comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated with the latest career tips and trends.